How to fix iPhone blue screen. There is many different reasons. There are several reasons why you may experiencing this issue. We don't know if there is a problem with the software update or damaged hardware, but in this video I will show you few things you may attempt to fix this problem. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I will show you exactly what you need to do to try to fix this iPhone blue screen. Now let's jump right into the video. First method is to forcibly restart your iPhone. I've heard that many people have tried this strategy and it works. So, but not like every time, but it's worth to try this method. Now, how you can force restart an iPhone is depends now on the model, but the models that are like 4 years old, released like in the last 4 years, you need to, first step is to press and release the volume up button, and then press and release the volume down button. So, and then press and hold the side button until the screen turns off and then turns back on. You can release the side button when the Apple logo appears. Now on force restart an iPhone 7, you need to press and hold both the volume down button and the side button until you see the Apple logo. Another method you can try is to factory reset your iPhone. This can really help your iPhone this will remove actually issues that you might have in your iPhone data, and this will remove all your issue that you might have in your system. So that's why I recommend to reset your iPhone. And you can use iTunes. You can connect your iPhone to computer, and you need to install iTunes and then open iTunes. And step 2, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode, and then you can start. And then when you put your iPhone in recovery mode, by the way, you can put your iPhone in recovery mode for iPhone 8 to iPhone 10 or 12. You need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode icon. And then once you put your iPhone in recovery mode, iTunes will detect your phone, and you'll be prompted with the dialogue like to check something, and this may solve your problem as well, which probably will help you. These are the most common ways, guys, to solve this problem. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more how-to videos. Take care and see you in the next video.